So, next topic is methods of variation of parameters and undetermined coefficients. So, today we will discuss these two methods for evaluating the particular integral. Okay. So, when we solve the linear differential equation, right, then we need complementary function for solution and particular integral means particular solution, right. So, and we know complementary functions, how can we evaluate that part. And in last lectures we have discussed a few cases where we can evaluate the value of particular integral, right. So, today we will discuss two more methods of variation of parameters and undetermined coefficients. Let us see. So, this method is quite general, okay, and applied to the equations of the form this y double dash plus p y dash plus q y is equal to x. Okay. So, for these type of equations, right, we can evaluate the particular integral by using variation of parameters, where this p, q and x functions of x. Okay. This means here p and q are not constant. Okay. So, when p and q are not constant, suppose function of x, then how can we evaluate the this particular integral part. So, then particular integral for this problem is equal to this. Particular integral is equal to minus y1 integral y2 x over w dx plus y2 integral y1 x over w dx. Then particular integral you can write like this way. The question is, what is y1 and y2? y1 and y2 are the solutions of this equation. Solutions of this equation, y double dash plus p y dash plus q y is equal to 0. So, this term is equal to 0, calculate the solution. So, here y1 and y2 are the solutions of this equation, clear. And this w is determinant y1 y2 y1 dash y2 dash is called Wronskian of y1 and y2, and this capital X is this capital X. Okay. So, let us prove this important result. Particular integral is equal to this, and method is known as method of variation of parameters. पैरामीटर्स को आप वेरी करके, ठीक है, कैसे आप पर्टिकुलर इंटीग्रल को निकालोगे. So, this one is interesting method, variation of parameters to find the particular integral. So, let us suppose this one is equation, okay, and complementary of this equation is this, y is equal to c1 y1 plus c2 y2, so that y1 and y2 satisfy the given equation, y double dash plus p y dash plus q y is equal to 0. Okay. So, y1 and y2 are the solutions of this equation, we have already discussed here. These are the solutions of this equation. Okay. So, when y1 and y2 are the solutions of this equation, then c1 y1 plus c2 y2 is also a solution, which is equal to y. Okay. This one is also a solution, clear, and that one is the complete solution of this equation. Okay. We have second order differential equation and two constants, clear. So, y is equal to c1 y1 plus c2 y2 is the complementary function for this type of problem. Okay. Now, let us assume that particular integral of this equation is this. Particular integral of y double dash plus p y dash plus q y is equal to x is y is equal to u y1 plus v y2. तो हमने करना क्या है इसमें, आपका complementary functions आ गया है, ये c1 c2 these treated as parameters, variation of parameters आपने c1 को चेंज किया है u के साथ और c2 को चेंज किया है v के साथ. Okay. So, you can change, replace this c1 and c2 by unknown functions of u and v, and here u is not constant, v is not constant, but u and v are functions of x. ठीक है. तो आपने ये जो आपके पैरामीटर्स हैं, ये जो कांस्टेंट्स हैं जिनको हम पैरामीटर्स बोल रहे हैं, ठीक है, इनको आपने चेंज करना है, वेरी करना है, ठीक है, न्यू पैरामीटर्स के साथ, एंड न्यू पैरामीटर्स आर unknown functions u and v. U is a function of x and v is a function of x. So, this means method of variation of parameters, in this way you can apply. So, this one we have to evaluate, y is equal to u y1 plus v y2. अब इसमें करना क्या है, आपको u और v की वैल्यू को evaluate करना है. और वो u v की वैल्यू जब आप सब्स्टिट्यूट यहाँ करोगे तो आपका ये एक्सप्रेशन आना चाहिए, pi इज इक्वल टू माइनस y1 इंटीग्रल y2x ओवर w dx प्लस y2 इंटीग्रल y1 x ओवर w dx, ये एक्सप्रेशन आना चाहिए। अब क्वेश्चन ये है कि u एंड v कैसे निकालेंगे। देखिए अगर आप u डैश v डैश निकाल लोगे तो u v निकल आएगा बाय इंटीग्रेटिंग। अब क्वेश्चन फिर आता है u डैश v डैश कैसे निकालेंगे। क्लियर? सो लेट अस सी। So let us assume that particular integral for this equation is y is equal to u y1 plus v y2, where u v are unknown functions of x, that is replacing c1 c2 regarded as parameters by unknown functions of ux and vx. Okay, so this one is the particular integral y is equal to u y1 plus v y2, and this equation number 4. So differentiate this equation number 4 with respect to x. मैंने पहले बताया आपको निकालना क्या है, u v निकालना है। u v निकालने के लिए आपको क्या निकालना है, u डैश v डैश निकालना है। क्लियर? अब u डैश v डैश कैसे निकालना है वो आप एक प्रोसेस देख लो। क्लियर? सो डिफरेंशिएटिंग 4 विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x, सो व्हेन यू डिफरेंशिएट वी गेट y डैश इज इक्वल टू u y1 डैश प्लस v y2 डैश प्लस u डैश y1 प्लस v डैश y2। क्लियर? दिस वन। तो ये टर्म अज्यूम करिए कि ये टर्म 0 है। ओके, assuming that u v satisfy this equation, ये आपकी इक्वेशन नंबर 4 है। इस इक्वेशन को आप याद रखिए, दिस इक्वेशन नंबर 4। ओके, सो व्हेन दिस कंडीशन होल्ड्स, दिस मींस y डैश इज इक्वल टू u y1 डैश प्लस v y2 डैश। क्लियर? देखिए यहां u डैश v डैश आ रहा है और हमारा पर्पस भी वही है, u डैश और v डैश को इवैल्यूएट करना। क्लियर? So y dash is equal to u y dash plus v y2 dash. This equation number 5. Again differentiating 5 with respect to x, then we get y double dash is equal to u y dash double dash 1 plus u dash y1 dash plus v y2 dash double dash plus v dash y2 dash. Okay, substitute the values of finally one is this, differential equation is this, substitute the value of y dash y this double dash in this equation. So when you substitute these values, so y dash, substitute all these values, y dash is this, and y double dash is this, y dash is this, and y is this. Substitute all these values in given equation. So when you substitute, first term is this plus p times second term plus q times, clear, and is equal to x. So y dash is this, so this bracket term plus p y dash is this plus q y is this and x. Now this can be written as u common, the coefficient of u is this, the coefficient of v is this, and the remaining terms is equal to x. But you know y1 and y2 are solutions of this differential equation. Clear? Replace y by y1 and y2. This means y1 double dash plus p y1 double single dash plus q y is y1 is equal to 0. This means this term is 0. This term is 0. This term is 0. Then it becomes this term u dash y dash plus v dash y2 dash is equal to x. So that one is one more equation. So this one is the first equation. This one is the second equation. ये भी u और u dash और v dash में आ रही है. Solve these two equations and find the value of u dash and v dash. So solving 6 and 7, 6 is this and 7 is this. Okay, इन दोनों इक्वेशंस में u dash v dash है, u dash v dash है. Calculate the value of u dash and v dash. U dash is 0 y2 x y2 dash divided by y1 y2 y1 dash y2 dash. And this result is equal to, इसको solve कर लीजिए, minus y2x, and this result is nothing but w. W is Wronskian. Similarly, calculate v dash. V dash is y1 0 y1 dash x divided by y1 y2 y1 dash y2 dash. Okay, and it becomes y1 x divided by w. Clear? So from these two equations, calculate the value of u dash and v dash. Clear? And where this w is this determinant, and this determinant after solving we get this, and that one is called Wronskian. तो आप यहाँ से u dash और v dash की वैल्यू निकाल रहे हो. U dash is this and v dash is this. Now integrating these two results, u is equal to minus integral y2x over w dx and v is equal to minus integral y1x w dx. And substitute here in the particular integral. Particular integral means y is equal to u y1 plus v y2. So when you substitute, we get the required particular integral. This one is the method of variation of parameters. Clear? And the method of variation of parameters is to be used if instructed to do so. ये method आपने तभी apply करना है अगर आपको कहा जाए. By using the method of variation of parameter, solve the differential equation. Clear? Let us solve. Using method of variation of parameter, solve this differential equation. D square y over dx square is equal to plus 4y is equal to tan 2x. इस प्रॉब्लम को आप सॉल्व करके देखिए. ठीक है, एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व अच्छे से देख लीजिए कैसे करनी है, फिर इसके बाद दो चार प्रॉब्लम्स की आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो. सो दिस क्वेश्चन, सिंबॉलिकल फॉर्म ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन इज दिस, d square plus 4y is equal to tan 2x. Okay, and this differential equation is linear differential equation with constant coefficients. With constant coefficients. ये प्रॉब्लम वैसे कहीं और से भी निकल जाएगी. With constant coefficients. But use the method of variation of parameters. Solve this differential equation. Now, as usual, step 1 is to find the complementary function. So, for evaluating complementary functions, auxiliary equation is m square plus 4 is equal to 0. So, m is equal to plus minus 2 eta. And when m is equal to plus minus 2 eta, clear? Then complementary function is equal to c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. That one is the complementary function for this problem. ये तो as usual निकलेगा. ठीक है, जो भी आपने methods फर्स्ट वीडियो में देखे हैं. ठीक है, लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस के जो फर्स्ट वीडियो में आपने मेथड देखे हैं. ठीक है, m के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. ठीक है, रियल डिस्टिंक्ट, रियल अपोजिट, सब कुछ वहाँ पे क्लियर है. ठीक है, वो मेथड यूज करके आपने कंप्लीमेंट्री फंक्शंस कैलकुलेट करना है. नाउ सेकंड स्टेप इज टू फाइंड द पर्टिकुलर इंटीग्रल. ओके, अब पर्टिकुलर इंटीग्रल में क्या होता है, y इज इक्वल टू c1 y1 प्लस c2 y2, दिस वन इज कंप्लीमेंट्री फंक्शन, एंड y डबल डैश प्लस p y डैश प्लस q y इज इक्वल टू x, दिस वन इज द रिक्वायर्ड इक्वेशन, गिवन इक्वेशन. Okay, so what is y1? y1 is in complementary functions. What is y1? y1 is cos 2x, so cos 2x. What is y2? y2 is this sin 2x, so sin 2x. What is x? x is tan 2x, so tan 2x. And w is y1 y2 y1 dash y2 dash, and solve you will get 2. सारी वैल्यूज निकल गई. Calculate the particular integral. Clear? So particular integral is minus y1 integral y2x over w dx plus y2 integral y1x over w dx. Substitute all these values here. Okay, we get, just after substituting, we get this type of expression. Okay, उसके बाद आपने इसको सॉल्व करना है. ठीक है, इस इंटीग्रल को सॉल्व करके देखिए. क्लियर? फिर इस इंटीग्रल को सॉल्व करके देखिए, इस इंटीग्रल को सॉल्व करके देखिए, आपका ये रिजल्ट आ रहा है. ठीक है, इसको और सिंप्लीफाई करके भी आप देख सकते हो. अगर और सिंप्लीफाई होता है तो और सिंप्लीफाई आप कर दीजिए. ठीक है, इसके बाद आप ये सिंप्लीफाई करके आपका ये रिजल्ट आ जाएगा. क्लियर? तो y1 y2 x and w, substitute all these values here pi, and we get this particular integral. Then step number 3, write the solution. Write the complete solution, and complete solution is complementary function plus particular integral, and this one is the complementary function, this one is the particular integral. So y is equal to cf plus pi, and that one is the required solution. So this one is the process of finding the solution of a linear differential equation, okay, by variation of parameters, by method of variation of parameters. Let us solve one more problem. Using method of variation of parameters, solve y double dash minus 2 y dash plus y is equal to e raised to power x log x. Solve this problem by using the method of variation of parameters. The symbolical form of this differential equation is this: d square minus 2d plus 1 y is equal to e raised to power x log x, which is a linear differential equation with constant coefficients. First complementary functions as usual. Calculate. Auxiliary equation m minus 1 square is equal to 0 means m is equal to 1 and 1. Equal. Roots are equal. Okay? Real and equal. So complementary function is y is equal to this: c1x plus c2 e raised to power x. That one is the complementary function. Calculate the particular integral. Particular integral is just calculate the y1, y2, x and Wronskian w. So here y1 is this. y1 is e raised to power x. चाहे आप ये ले लो चाहे ये ले लो, इसमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. चाहे y1 x e raised to power x ले लो, y2 e raised to power x ले लो, तब भी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. क्लियर? सो y1 is e raised to power x. ओके, y2 is this x e raised to power x, and capital X is e raised to power x log x, and w is e raised to power 2x. Substitute here, simplify, substitute and then simplify. We get e raised to power 2x, this e raised to power 2x cancel, okay. So x log x, and here this term and this term and this term cancel. So we get x e raised to power x, and here integral log x dx, like this, okay. अब ये इंटीग्रल x log x ये आपने +2 में ऑलरेडी किया हुआ है. इंटीग्रल log x into 1, ओके. 2 फंक्शंस लेके इसको भी आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो, ओके. सो log x1 मीन्स दिस x log x minus integral 1 over x dx, and this x log x is x square over 2 log x minus integral 1 over x square over 2 dx. Just solve this component and this component, okay, and simplify. You will get this particular integral, okay. Then what is the solution? Complete solution, complementary function plus particular integral. This one is the complementary function and this one is the particular integral. So CF plus PI, that one is the required solution. Clear? तो इस टाइप की कुछ और प्रॉब्लम्स की आप अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करिए, ठीक है, ताकि वेरिएशन ऑफ पैरामीटर्स की अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम आ गई, ठीक है, तो आप आसानी से इसको निकाल पाओगे. नो, सेकंड मेथड ऑफ अनडिटरमाइंड कोएफिशिएंट्स. To find particular integral of f dy is equal to x, we assume a trial solution. We assume a trial solution containing unknown constants, which are determined by substitution in the given equation. And the trial solution in each case depends upon the form of x. ये जो x, कैपिटल x राइट साइड में जो लिखा होगा एक्सप्रेशन, उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि ट्रायल सोल्यूशन आपने कैसे लेना है. क्लियर? सपोज x इज इक्वल टू 2 e raised to power 3x. अगर इस टाइप की फॉर्मेशन है x की, then trial solution is equal to a e raised to power 3x. If x is equal to 3 sin 3x, then trial solution is a1 sin 2x. 3 sin 2x, trial solution is a1 sin 2x plus a2 cos 2x. यहाँ एक्सपोनेंशियल टाइप की टर्म्स है, तब ये लेना है. ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक टाइप की टर्म्स है, तो तब ऐसे लेना है. x raised to power n की फॉर्म में है, x is equal to x cube, then trial solution is a1x cube plus a2x square plus a3x plus a4. So use these trial solutions for evaluating the particular integral of the given problem. However, when x is equal to tan x or secant x, this method fails. Since the number of terms obtained by differentiating x is equal to tan x or secant x is infinite. So due to this reason, this method fails when capital X is a function of tan x or secant x. And this method holds so long as no term in the trial solution appears in the complementary function. If any term of the trial solution appears in complementary function, we multiply this trial solution by the lowest positive integral power of x. इस टाइप की भी हम एक आधी प्रॉब्लम करके देखेंगे, ठीक है, which is large enough so that none of the terms which are then present appears in the complementary function. Clear? So this method holds so long as no term of trial solution appears in the complementary function. If any term of the trial solution appears in complementary function, we multiply this trial solution by lowest positive integral power of x. Okay? So let us solve this problem using the method of undetermined coefficients. Solve d square y over dx square plus 2y dy over dx plus 4y is equal to 2x square plus 3 e raised power minus x. So using the undetermined multiplier method, okay, undetermined coefficient method, solve this differential equation. Now write first the symbolical form. So symbolical form of this differential equation is this: d square plus 2d plus 4y is equal to 2x square plus 3 e raised power x. Okay, here right side x में इस टाइप की टर्म्स भी हैं और इस टाइप की टर्म्स भी हैं. ये दोनों टर्म्स का एक कॉम्बिनेशन है, ठीक है. फर्स्ट as usual calculate the complementary functions. So write auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is m square plus 2m plus 4 is equal to 0, means m is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 3 eta. Then write down the complementary function as usual. complementary function is equal to e raised power minus x c1 cos under root 3x plus c3 sin under root 3x. Use the method, okay, for finding this complementary function when m is like this, minus 1 plus minus under root 3 eta. Now, find the particular integral. अब देखिए मैं यहां पे particular integral इस फॉर्म में लिख रहा हूं. क्यों लिख रहा हूं? देखिए 2x स्क्वायर है, 2x स्क्वायर, ये 2x स्क्वायर, ये 2x क्यूब है, यहां 2x स्क्वायर. देखिए अगर 2x स्क्वायर होगा तो a1x स्क्वायर प्लस a2x प्लस a3 ये टर्म आएगी जो मैं ये लिख रहा हूं. ट्रायल सॉल्यूशन इज दिस ऑफ दिस कंपोनेंट. अब 3 e raised power minus x, 3 e raised power 3x here. तो हमारा क्या है? 3 e raised power minus x. Then solution is a4, a1, a2, a3 आ चुके हैं, a4 e raised power minus x. तो ये बनेगा a4 e raised power minus x. That one is the trial solution. Clear? Now calculate dy and d square y. So dy is this, d square y is this. Now substitute here. So when we substitute in the given equation, okay, 4a1x square plus this term x plus this term plus 3a4 e raised power minus x is equal to 2x square plus 3 e raised power minus x. Now equating the corresponding coefficient on both sides for evaluating the values of these constants a1, a2, a3 and a4. So when you equate the coefficients, okay, on both sides, corresponding coefficients on both sides, then the value of a1 is 1 by 2, the value of a2 is minus 1 by 2, the value of a3 is 0 and the value of a4 is 1. Okay? Substitute these values here, you will get the particular integral. Okay? Then particular integral is this. Particular integral is 1 over 2 x square minus 1 over 2x plus e raised power minus x. So this plus this is complete solution. Okay? Complete solution is complementary function plus particular integral. So y is equal to this plus this particular integral, which is the required solution. तो x किस तरह से लिखा गया है उसके अकॉर्डिंगली आपने ट्रायल सॉल्यूशन को फॉर्मुलेट करना है. अगर आपने अच्छे से फॉर्मुलेट कर लिया तो ये प्रॉब्लम आसानी से निकल आएगी. लेट अस सॉल्व वन मोर प्रॉब्लम, लास्ट प्रॉब्लम ऑफ दिस टॉपिक. Using the method of undetermined coefficient, solve d square plus 1y is equal to sin x. So we have given here a symbolical form of this differential equation with constant coefficients, linear differential equation with constant coefficients. First part is to find the complementary functions. So for that, write the auxiliary equation and find the value of m. So m is equal to plus minus eta. And we know when m is equal to plus minus eta, then complementary function is c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. This one is the complementary function. अब देखिए जब आप पर्टिकुलर इंटीग्रल की बात करोगे तो यहां पर दिक्कत है, क्योंकि पर्टिकुलर इंटीग्रल में जो x है वो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन है जो कि यहां भी आ रहा है. ठीक है, तो यहां पर मैंने कहा लोएस्ट पावर ऑफ x मींस x के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ सकता है. लेट अस सी क्या जरूरत है कि नहीं है. ओके, सो टू फाइंड द पर्टिकुलर इंटीग्रल, so we would normally assume a trial solution as a1 cos x plus a2 sin x. जनरली अगर इस टाइप का x है तो ट्रायल सॉल्यूशन आपका इस तरह से होगा. तो इस प्रॉब्लम में x हमारे पास sin x है, क्लियर, तो ट्रायल सॉल्यूशन होगा a1 cos x plus a2 sin x. तो इसमें और इसमें फिर क्या फर्क रह गया. ओके, however since these terms appears in the complementary function, we multiply by x and assume trial particular integral as y is equal to x a1 cos x plus a2 sin x. इस तरह से आपको लिखना है और ये रिमार्क्स एक दो स्लाइड पहले दिया है. क्लियर, ये क्यों करना पड़ रहा है. राइट, नाउ कैलकुलेट dy and d square y and substitute in equation number 1, main equation, given equation. So when you substitute these equation, substitute these values in the equation, we get this 2a2 cos x minus 2a1 sin x is equal to sin x. Now equating the corresponding coefficients, you will get a2 is equal to 0 and a1 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Substitute these values, so particular integral is minus 1 by 2 x cos x. So particular integral is this, complementary function is this. Then what is the complete solution? Complementary function plus particular integral. This means y is equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x minus 1 by 2x cos x minus 1 by 2x cos x, which is the required solution. Okay. So, this completes today's presentation. So, today we have discussed two methods, method of variation of parameter and method of this undetermined coefficients, right. And after discussing the process of these two methods, we have solved two problems of each method, right. तो अब आप कुछ और प्रॉब्लम में इनकी आप सॉल्व करके देखिएगा, राइट. और जब 3-4 प्रॉब्लम्स आप कर लोगे तो डेफिनेटली ये फार्मूला भी आपको याद हो जाएगा और प्रोसेस का भी पूरा पता चल जाएगा. ओके. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम we will discuss equations reducible to linear equations with constant coefficients and Cauchy homogeneous linear equation and Legendre linear equations. So, we will discuss 3 small topics, okay, for next lecture. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye.